Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to week number 10, starting April the 1st through April the 7th on Sunday. As we talk about host security in this week, I want to introduce you one of the newest Cisco product, which is advanced malware protection. Uh, the rep came to our schools to give us a presentation, so I just want to share a little bit of their next generation of malware protection solution for organization. Okay, so let me start with this one. So what is advanced malware protection from Cisco? This is actually the next generation of malware solution to protect enterprise from cybersecurity threat. Okay, there are some other applications that are available, such as McAfee or Symantec. Currently, our school use McAfee solution to to protect from viruses, malware attack, and worms. Okay, so as many of you knows, all of this company basically they are try to get business from most of the organizations. So they try their best to market it and see which one is that fit the need of the organization, especially the budget as well. Okay, so what is Cisco Advanced Malware Protection for Endpoint? This is basically a new Cisco product, which is a cloud-managed endpoint security solution that provide advanced protection against viruses, malware, and either and other cyber threats by detecting, preventing, and responding to threat. Okay, it's on demand. Okay, so what the solution does? Basically, the solution can do three things. The first is prevention, detection, and response. Okay, the prevention uh, is to strengthen the defenses using the best global threat intelligence and block malware in real time. That's the first task of the solution. The second one is to continuously monitor and record all files activities to quickly detect the stealthy malware. Okay, as many of you know that nowadays protecting the enterprise network infrastructure is one of the most challenging tasks. We cannot protect 100% from a cyber attack. However, we can minimize the risk. Okay, and we need to learn how to defend our enterprise system and network to minimize the impact of the attack. Okay, and respond, accelerate the investigation and automatically remediate malware across platforms like PCs, Macs, Linux servers, and mobile devices. Okay. At the end of this presentation, I will share you a link where you can learn further about their products. Okay, so if any one of the organization, if any of the organization that you are currently employed want to consider the solution, I think one of the most important things you need to get a comparison which of the solution that fit into your organization needs and budget. For example, you can compare and contrast the pros and the cons of McAfee, Symantec, and the newest one, which is Cisco Advanced Malware Protection. So, what are the benefits? Well, the benefit of this solution is to provide superior protection against viruses and malware by continuously monitoring and analyzing all the system activities rather than depending solely on the virus definition. So this is the next generation of malware protection. It's also built on an extensive collection of real-time threat intelligence and dynamic malware analytics that's supplied by Talos Security Intelligence Group. Let me show you a website here where you can find out about. It's called Talos Intelligent Talos Intelligence Security here. Okay. So for example, this is like a intelligence center that belongs to Cisco company. Okay. So let's find out about the domain here. Okay. Let's find about www.southtexascollege.edu. Okay. So we can find. Okay. So here they do some analysis. There is no blacklist there. Okay. It shows you the IP address. Let me see the email volume. It shows you how many emails. Also the top network owners. Let me see. No, it doesn't found that. But it gives you some statistic information about the email reputation, web reputation. There are some more into it, of course, but email spam and data. Let's find out here. This is just a general information that in the month of March 2019, total global email and spam volume for March is 50 billions. Okay, and it shows you the countries, I believe. Top sender. Okay, top sender by IP. Okay, top sender by IP here you can see from India, China, and Paris. Okay. Also, it gives you another one, top sender by a network owner. Okay. Email spam and data. And then it top sender by countries. Top sender by countries. Spam. Oh, email. Okay. So I would suggest that if you have a time, you can explore more. Okay. So United States, China, Brazil, and Japan. Okay. So do some research about it and do some exploration. All right. So what this solution does is actually detect and monitor malware immediately and retrospectively. That means it can analyze or backtrack all the activities that occurs. Okay, when the malware start getting and how it spread. I will show you the video in a moment. Okay, so how to deploy? Basically, a company just need to have a subscription so they can download the program in the clients, and everything is managed through the web-based console. Okay, all analysis is done in the cloud, not at the endpoint, so it reduces all the workload in the server. Okay, as I mentioned to you earlier, the solution is offered as a subscription on an endpoint. Okay, and it can be used across platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, and server. Here is the video links that I provided to you. Okay, so I already show you the link. I'm gonna distribute this PowerPoint to you, so you can click the link here. I want to show you, where is this? Here we go. Here is the first one. let me show you the technical stuff about that. Okay, here. Okay, as you can see in the presentation, perhaps you can click the links. So this software allow you to detect when the exploit occur and how it occur and how it spread it. This solution may fit well into a large organization. Okay, if medium-sized businesses have the budget, then perhaps this is a good solution. So please take time to browse and explore more or do some research. Get familiar with it. Just for your information, I hope that this information about the next generation of advanced malware protection that offered by Cisco, you can get a little bit some idea. Again, I'm not endorsing Cisco products, so there are some other solutions like McAfee, Symantec, and Cisco. The best way for any organization is to find out the pros and the cons, also the strength and the weaknesses of this, and most importantly, it must fit uh, into the budget of an organization. Because as many of you know that most of the solution, the price is kind of very high. Thank you.